Good afternoon, everybody. Jai Swaminarayan.
Good afternoon, teacher. Jai Swaminarayan. Jai Hind.
Jai Swaminarayan. So this is our social period, and we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 17, gender discrimination. Okay, I have written here gender because before learning about the gender discrimination, we should learn and we have to know about what is gender. What is gender? Anybody knows? Male and female. Okay, आपके माइंड में हमेशा ये रहता है that males and females are gender. Gender word से यही आता है because from your early childhood आप जब भी पढ़ते हो तो आपको male and female का ही जो separation है वो बताया जाता है with the word gender. तो let me write here. According to you, the first answer is as a gender is that is biological fact, right? Biological fact. Yes, males and females are there. But this is social class, not a science class. तो हम ये biological वाले पे नहीं जाएंगे. This is the fact, इसलिए मैंने लिखा that is biological fact. But we are learning the lesson in our social science and social में science की ज़रूरत है, but उतनी नहीं. Because हम societies में रहते हैं, तो हमको जानना है. So on the basis of societies, as we are learning social, what is gender? This is the social aspect. What is gender? Gender is a social aspect. हम अपनी सोसाइटीज़ में लोगों को कैसे सेपरेट करते हैं? हम अपनी सोसाइटीज़ में सेपरेशन का एक मीडियम बनाते हैं. दैट मीडियम इज मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स. बट एक्चुअली में इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ नीड ऑफ सेपरेशन? Because God has described it here biological fact as males and females. But in our society we are doing this gender word as a discrimination. हम भेदभाव करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. We are biased person. हम भेदभाव करते हैं. We are just choosing the path of bias between the girl and a boy. Right? For example, have you seen lots of example in your daily life? कि rather, if the girl child and boy child, both child are present in your home, on the birthday of boy child they are getting the cricket kit. ठीक है, toys like robots and all, balls and all, right? And same as when the girl child is having birthday, they got the new frock, doll, right? And all. Why can't you give the cricket kit to the girl? Whenever we are talking about any kind of vehicle that we have to ride a vehicle, bike is always for boys. Boy is there, so he will ride a bike. Girl child is there, she will ride a scooty. Why girls are not capable to ride a scooty? आपने यहाँ पे discrimination किया है. That is the discrimination, gender bias. So ये जो लोग करते हैं, the people who are biased towards the girls and the boys, जो भेदभाव करते हैं, this process, ये भी जो भेदभाव की biasness की जो process है, this is gender discrimination. And the people who are doing this discrimination, those peoples are known as stereotype peoples. इसका मीनिंग होता है रूढ़िवादी. Who are having a mentality that if the girl child is there, they have to do the task allotted to them, like same as they have to cook, they have to clean the house, they have to take care of a baby, something else, right? But the boy is there, they have to study hard, they have to go outside just for work purpose, right? They are the mentor of the house, they are the leader of the house, they will be the head of the house. Because in our India, what is happening? India is a male leading country where the leaders are your father, your grandfather, someone else, but male is there. So India is a country of male head. ठीक है, male perspective पे रन करने वाली country है. Have you heard about any countries जहाँ पे female leads होती हैं? Females are the heads. Which country? चलो छोड़ो, अभी दिमाग पे जोर डाल रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो रहा है नहीं? But keep it in your mind that you should search about those types of countries where the females are head of their family. Because in Hindi, if I have to tell you that the Pitra Sattatmak country is there in India, Matra Sattatmak country where the females are head, you have to search. But have you seen any other examples of the same opposite way जहाँ पे females lead होती हैं? Still in England also, the head of the family is father. That is the monarchy system जहाँ पे रानी का राज था. I'm not talking about the monarchy system or democracy. I'm talking about the head of your family. Who is the head of your family? Definitely your father or your grandfather, the elder people, elder man of your house, right? मम्मी को आपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आस्किंग मम्मा मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड के बर्थडे पार्टी में जाना है, मम्मा बोलेगी पापा से पूछ, अगर पापा अलाउ करेंगे तो। अगर आपकी मम्मा को भी कहीं बाहर जाना है, शी ऑल्सो हैव टू आस्क टू योर फादर और द एल्डर मेंबर ऑफ योर फैमिली कि मैं जाऊँ या नहीं। अगर आपके फादर या जो हेड है वो अलाउ करते हैं, एट दैट सिचुएशन ओनली, उसी टाइम आप जा पाओगे, राइट? ऐसे चले जाओगे आप? नहीं, बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ कंट्री वेयर द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली इज अ मेल। बट अगर मैं एनिमल्स की बात करूँ तो फीमेल्स आर है, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल विच एनिमल्स?
Lion. Hyena is the male. Where female.
Now, let me tell you. Have you heard about the elephant?
Yes.
Elephant का जो herd होता है, the group of herds of elephants, the leader is female elephant, the eldest elephant of the female group of elephant. Group की जो female elephant होगी, जो सबसे ज़्यादा उम्र की होगी, she will be the head of that group. चाहे lions की group की बात करें, lioness is the leader. ठीक है? लायन शिकार करने नहीं जाता, जब वो अकेला ही घूमता है, ठीक है? अगर वो ग्रुपिज्म में है तो लायनेस इज द हेड, ठीक है? वो राजा है, वो राज ही करता है बैठ के। लायनेस इज द पर्सन, या फिर लायनेस वहाँ पे हम इसकी बात करें, शी वेंट फॉर द हंटिंग एंड वो शिकार करके लाएगी एंड देन खाएगी नहीं, शिकार करके लाएगी एंड देन लायन खाएगा, उसके बाद उसके बच्चे खाएंगे, जो बच जाएगा इन दैट लास्ट सिचुएशन लायनेस खाती है, चाहे टाइग्रेस खाती है। एंड उनके बाद अगर बच जाता है तो जो स्कैवेंजर्स होते हैं या फिर हाइनाज एंड ऑल, वो लोग खाते हैं। पीपल आर फॉन्ड ऑफ जस्ट वॉचिंग द कार्टून जस्ट लाइक मोगलीज एंड ऑल, जंगल बुक, इन दैट शेर खान एंड ऑल। आपके पास बहुत से एग्जाम्पल्स है विच आई कैन रिलेट टू योर डेली लाइफ, बट छोड़ो, बिकॉज वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट द जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, यहाँ पे बात करते हैं। इन अवर डेली लाइफ वी आर वॉचिंग द जेंडर स्टीरियोटाइप पीपल, जस्ट लाइक इन रिमोट विलेज एरियाज, रूरल एरियाज की बात करें तो some peoples are there, a head of the family is having a mentality that if a girl child is there, they don't have to study hard, they don't have to go outside the city or the state or the country for their further studies, because they are having mentality that the girl child is there na, they have to stay at home, they have to cook for their family. Why? There is need for the higher studies, है ना? They don't have to job. If they are having a job also, then in that situation in our cities area, let's come to the urban areas. In urban areas, so many things are happening like that. If the girl child is there, if a woman is there who is a working woman, in morning she have to complete the whole task of their house, and then they have to go to the work purpose. When again at evening when they are coming, they have to complete the remaining task and the other work, such like cleaning, mopping, washing, and then cooking. And after that, again she is preparing for the morning. Some other tasks that ladies always used to do at night, just for the morning, because in morning they are having lots of works. आपकी मम्मी के पास भी बहुत से काम होते होंगे, if she is working woman, so वो रात को कुछ ना कुछ प्रिपरेशन करके रखती हैं for the next morning, right? For example, washing the utensils after having a dinner, ताकि सुबह वो काम थोड़ा सा बच जाए. So lots of things are there. But gender discrimination आपको हर जगह दिखता है. But अगर मैं दूसरी बात करूँ in the second scenario, women are empowered now because government is having lots of facilities for the girls, lots of schemes has been running for the girls and women, and for that, according to that, and as a result from last two decades, आज की जो situation है that the girls and women are in every field, whether it's a defense, army, military, navy, air force, whether it's a pilot, whether it's a doctor, engineer, astronaut, and all. Every field are having a girls and women in nowadays, because discrimination has been becoming lesser day by day just because of awareness among the people about the gender discrimination. But still in our India, so many people are there in the village area, so many heads of the families are there who are having mentality of the gender stereotype. Clear? Just like some examples we are having who have just occur in the empowerish way. Just like Indira Gandhi was there, Sarojini Naidu is there, Sunita Williams is there, Kalpana Chawla is there, who are world famous person, everybody knows about that. but they are women and they have done a lot of hard work to become successful, and they have maintained their dignity as well as their position between the peoples of our India. In our other field also, like singing, Lata Mangeshkar is there. In dancer, so many dancers are there who are women, right? So many doctors are there, so lots of things. For why we are doing the discrimination? Is there any use of discrimination? No, because that males and females are having different body structure. That's the difference. Have you seen any other differences between male and female? No, those differences are made by us only. We have made. Okay? When the creator has made us as a male and female, they have taught you or they have told you about that just ये वाले काम female से करेंगी, ये वाले काम male से करेंगे. No, the society, the social people that we all are, we have made these rules, है ना? And the impact was that कि families में जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको भी पता होता है धीरे धीरे ये काम उनका है, ये काम उनका है. They used to know ये मेरा काम थोड़ी, ये तो तुम्हारा काम है, जाओ जाकर करो. एंड धीरे 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 ये जो मेंटालिटी है, दे आर ब्रॉडिंग इनटू डोमिनेटिंग नेचर इन फ्यूचर, एंड देन उनकी मेंटालिटी बिल्कुल स्टीरियोटाइप हो जाती है, एंड दे बिकेम अ डोमिनेटिंग पीपल टुवर्ड्स देयर फैमिली. दैट वॉन्ट बी वर्दी एंड दैट वॉन्ट बी वर्कफुल. क्लियर? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू अवॉइड द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन going on in your family, in nearby area, in your cities and all, because when you will learn about the discrimination, you should be aware that you don't have to do any kind of discrimination because there is no use of discrimination. Okay? So is there any doubt in gender discrimination, everybody?
No.
I hope you have understood the concept of what is gender and what is gender discrimination and what you can do to stop gender discrimination. Okay, just give your ideas in the written form that how can you stop the gender discrimination going on in your nearby area, village, city or in India. Thank you so much for the day. Till then, have a great day. Jai Swaminarayan.